Today I'm reviewing the SoundCover SCPA Pro Series, a protective cover design for powered PA speakers. It's made for outdoor use, transport, and situations where you want to keep the cabinet protected. The material is 600D Oxford polyester, which feels durable and water resistant. The stitching is reinforced with high visibility thread and the seams look well constructed. This version includes a SoundFlap front panel. Opening it reveals a harmonic transparency mesh, which allows the speaker to play while the cabinet stays protected. On the back, there are two utility flaps, one for the input panel and the other for the power cable. It gives easy access to your connections without exposing the rest of the speaker. Then at the bottom, there's an 11-core 700 paracord, which lets you cinch the cover tightly around the speaker. The zinc alloy cord locks, feels solid, and it holds tension very well. Once everything's adjusted, the cover fits nicely and cleanly around the cabinet and stays secure. It's straightforward, easy to set up and remove. So that's the SoundCover SCPA60 Pro Series. Durable material, practical access points, and design built for real-world use.